Today I'm just trying out this new GoPro mount, running a different helmet. I just thought I'd take the bike out, see how it works, and see how it looks in a different location. And the mount's called a Chesty. Better keep the speed around that 40k at the moment because I'm in a school zone. But like I said, this is only just a bit of a test to see what it's like to get a bit of a different angle when I'm riding the bike from now on. So I haven't been on the bike for the last 5 days because it's been raining pretty heavy here. And actually it only stopped raining about an hour or so ago. Thought it'd be not a bad day to take this chariot out for a run and also give a bit of a different angle to the riding style with this bike. So we'll see how this performs. Might take 2 or 3 shots to get it at the right angle, but certainly seems a bit strange getting on this bike now for the first time in, like I said, probably 5 days. I've been on the little CRF 250 off from Honda for the last few days, so you notice a bit of difference when you get on one bike to another. So apart from that, all good. But I'll just go straight out along the road here, and I'll flip the lid down, see if it's any better that way. But it took about a week for this new chest mount to arrive anyway, so yeah, so it took about a week for it to arrive, and it only just arrived today and the rain just stopped, so it was a perfect chance to get out here, give it a bit of a burst, and we'll see. I'll flip the lid down, and one thing you can notice, this bike's got a lot more power than the 250. Actually I had to check to see how if I was in 6th gear then, just to make sure that I was in the top, it was sort of pulling along that well. So overall, you know, I've had the bike now, I don't know, maybe 4 months, and it really is performing well for an Enfield. I was going to put it into a shop and get them to recheck my valve adjustment and just to see what it was right, but you know, like I said, I haven't been on this bike for 5 days, and the bike really is running well, so that might be just a waste of money putting it in, you know, for someone to check a job I'd done pretty good in the first place. But well, that's what I'm thinking at the moment anyway. But look how nice and green it is around here. I don't know on that chest mount if you'll be able to see the countryside, but it's very windy today too, so yeah. So it really is nice out here. One good thing about where I live, I'm right in prime trout stream territory, and all the creeks have been virtually, you could say, almost bone dry. And this creek here now has got full of water, so I think there's a very good chance this year that they'll restock all the creeks around here with rainbow trout fingerlings, and next year may be a good year to go trout fishing. But you can see just as I look over into the paddocks there now that the rain's been that consistent that the water's been running up over the banks there. Let's point this back home, see what it accelerates like. There, yeah, it's got really good hit behind all gears, so I think I'll have bought the idea of the valves and call that idea done and dusted. Saved me money.